Hello guys, how are you doing today? So have you been trying to scale past a level on your mix and you just find yourself going through this circle? You've been stuck and everything you try seems not to be working. So today I have just 5 simple steps for you to start using, or 5 simple methods for you to start considering. And these are very, very simple methods. These are the things that we oftentimes overlook before we even start mixing. And the 5 steps is balance, shape the sound, control your dynamics, create space, and check and refine. Yeah, step 1 is balance, step 2 is shape your sound, step 3 is control your dynamics, step 4 create space, and step 5 is check and refine. Yeah, so number 1, balance. Set the right levels for everything. Set the right gain level for everything. We spoke about gain staging. Like I've spoken about gain staging a lot of times. So set the right level for everything, so that every particular instrument in your track, vocals, drums, guitar, backup vocals, the pianos, the pads, and everything can be heard even without mixing, without applying any effect. Everything has to be clean and precise. Yeah, you have to hear them. Now, shaping your sound. This is where you start to use EQ to clean up your sound. You are actually coming to fix a problem, not because you are not coming to apply EQ because you feel like you should apply EQ. There should be a certain problem on your sound that you are applying EQ to fix. So let's say, for instance, I'm hearing a bass guitar that is too aggressive, that has this high mid body to it, and it doesn't really sound good. But probably it will sound good on the chorus, but it doesn't sound good on the verse or at the intro session. So you now have to start cleaning. Sometimes you have to double the bass like 2 or 3 times. Then you start cleaning, then cutting and arranging, editing for each section of the song, depending on what kind of sound you are going for. So you need EQ to shape so many things, but you are using it to fix a problem, not because you feel like you should add an EQ to the sound. Now, control your dynamics. This is where you start using compression to level everything out in the entire song. So you use compression to make sure that there's punch and there's consistency in the entire sound. That's the work of a compressor. Then the number 4th one is creating space. Now you use panning to create space. You pan some instrument to the left, pan some instrument to the right, and panning also helps you to add a little bit of clarity to the sound. Then you can, of course, start using reverb to add depth to the entire music, but make sure you create space by panning. Yeah, so check and refine. Now listen to the differences on speakers. Yeah, listen to the differences on a headphone, listen to the differences on your monitor speaker, listen to it on this small earpiece. So I have a couple of sources that I use to check my mix and refine. I have this Sony speakers, laptop speakers. These Sony speakers, I use them to. I have a earpiece that I also use. I have this earpiece I also use to check my mix. Aside from my monitors, I have 2 headphones I used to also check my mix. So make sure you check everything for cohesiveness before you release the final mix. Hope this helps. My name is Udalle, and God bless you.